today we're going to be looking at a test called the vestibular ocular motor screen, or the Voms. So what that's going to do is it's going to track your symptoms throughout a couple eye movements and head movements, and ultimately a little bit of body movements as well. So what I need you to do is just be honest with me how your symptoms progress throughout the test, okay?
Okay.
So I want to get your baseline test of your headache score. So your headache symptoms as we start right now on a scale of 0 to 10.
0.
Okay. What about your fogginess? On a scale of 0 to 10.
A 0 right now.
Okay. And your dizziness on a scale of 0 to 10?
A 0. You're not moving yet.
Good. And what about your nausea?
A 0.
Fantastic. Good. So the first thing we're going to do is smooth pursuits. So what I want you to do is just follow my pin as I move it around. Just keep your head still, okay?
Okay.
All right. Very good. Awesome job. You feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so same scale, 0 to 10. Let's get your dizziness score.
A 0.
Okay, what about your nausea?
0.
Headache?
0.
And fogginess?
0.
Very good. Okay, we'll proceed to the next test. Okay, so the next test is going to be looking at your saccade. So that's your ability to move your eyes between 2 points rapidly, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to have these 2 objects out in front of you, and what I want you to do is just switch back and forth as quickly as you can.
Okay.
Very good, and rest. All right, so how is your dizziness on that 0 to 10 scale?
0.
What about your headache?
0.
Fogginess?
0.
And nausea?
0.
Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna do it. Same thing, going between the 2 as fast as you can, but we're gonna do it vertically.
Okay.
And rest. Awesome job. So what about your dizziness now?
0.
What about your headache?
0.
Fogginess?
0.
And nausea.
0.
All right, good job. So the next portion of the test is we're gonna look at your eye convergence. That's your ability to essentially go cross-eyed. So I'm gonna give you the pin, and what I want you to do is slowly bring it closer to your face and just focus on the tip and let me know when at that point do you start seeing double.
Okay.
And I may tell you to stop if I see one of your eyes kind of sneak out to the side, okay?
Okay. Right here.
Okay, and then just hold that there. I'm gonna take a quick measurement. Great job. So we would repeat this 3 more times and take an average of the 3, but less than 5 centimeters is normal, so you're great.
Okay.
So how is your dizziness?
0.
How about your headache?
0.
How about your nausea?
0.
And fatigue? Not fatigue, fogginess.
0.
Tricked you. All right. So the next part of the test is going to be looking at your vestibular ocular reflex. And so what I'm going to have you do is hold this pin one more time for me.
Mm-hmm.
And what you're going to do is you're going to stare at the tip of the pin, and you're going to move your head back and forth, staring at the tip of the pin. So moving your head, not moving your eyes. And you're going to do it to the beat of this metronome I have here. So just take a second to kind of get used to it, and then you can start whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Good job. So now I want you to rate your dizziness,
0.
your fogginess,
0.
your nausea,
0.
and your headache.
0.
Awesome. So the next test is going to be the same thing we just did, but you're going to be going vertically.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you your pin back, and then I'm going to start the metronome again. And relax. Good job. All right, we're going to rate your headache now.
0.
Good. And your dizziness.
0.
And your nausea.
0.
And your fogginess.
0.
Okay, so for the last part of our test today, I've put a gait belt on you just because we're standing. And so what we're going to do is we're going to clasp our hands in front of us like this, and you're going to be staring at your thumbnails this time. So what it's going to look like is you're going to keep your eyes on your thumbnails, and you're going to rotate. Keeping your eyes on your thumbs, and you're going to do it to a metronome of 50 beats per minute this time.
Okay.
All right, take a second to get used to it. great. Good, and relax. All right, go ahead and have a seat for me. And then I want you to rate for the last time, your dizziness,
0,
your nausea,
0,
your headache,
0,
and your fogginess.
0.
Very good. Awesome job today, Micah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.